COVID cases have started to rise again across the state. The same is true locally. Sophia Lesios joins us live with what doctors have to say about that. Hi, Sophia.
Hi, Tracy. Today, when I spoke to Dr. Marty Brueggemann from the Yakima Memorial Hospital, he told me that the positivity rates for the current subvariant of Omicron are 20 to 30%, which prior to Omicron's surge, that would have been some of the highest rates in the entire pandemic.
Some people's immunity is starting to wear off, and so it's resulted in some additional cases.
Graduations and festivals in person doesn't mean the pandemic is over.
COVID has definitely not gone away.
Even though the current subvariant of Omicron isn't as deadly as the earlier variants, this doesn't mean we're out of the woods.
COVID fatigue that set in where people have been like, okay, I don't know very many people are getting truly sick. I don't know as many people are getting hospitalized. I probably don't know anybody who's died recently of it. But those cases are still occurring, and if you compare it to a lot of the other infectious diseases we see, it is still a very dangerous disease. It is not something you'd want to get.
In Yakima, recently numbers started to go up again.
So we're still unfortunately seeing COVID-19 cases in our community, many individuals affected by it.
In Yakima County, there were no new deaths from mid-April to mid-May, and one death this month from COVID-19, according to the Yakima County Health District. But just because the death rate is low doesn't mean you still can't get exposed if you're around other people.
And if somebody in that room has a COVID infection they may not be aware of, most everybody's going to at least be exposed, if not get it, from that kind of an interaction.
Most people don't want to miss larger life events like graduations. That's why Dr. Brueggemann recommends those most at risk mask up.
If you are high risk for complication, if you're elderly, if you're unvaccinated, if you've got health conditions that would put you at risk for having a worse course of the disease, then you should probably get access to a high quality, well-fitting mask like a KN95 or an N95 mask.
Dr. Brueggemann also told me the best thing to do to protect yourself is to keep updated with your vaccines and booster shots. The Yakima Health District has a couple of different vaccine sites around the county. I will have them linked on our website at nbcrightnow.com. In Yakima for NBC Right Now, I'm Sophia Lesios.
Thank you, Sophia. Now let's take a look at how COVID cases are doing.